Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to cancel Amazon return requests. It's going to take you less than 2 minutes to do, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to launch your app and get logged into your account. In order to cancel your order, you will have to access it first. So in order to access it, select your profile and then select orders, or select orders. You will see all orders. You can also tap on this button, tap on the all orders button. If you haven't placed any orders, you will not see this option, but if you have placed any order, you will see it right at the section. Then find the orders containing the items you wish to cancel the return for. Then select view return or refund status, which is next to the item, and once you do that, you will see cancel return option. You have to select that option, confirm your action, and that is how you do it. It's as simple as that.